Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable or turn on announce calls on Android. If you want to turn on call announcers on your Android phone, so let's see how can you do this. Just open your Play Store app and here just go for search and you just have to search for caller ID announcement. Just search for that and then install this app. You must have to install a third party app for this because your phone haven't any built-in feature now to announce your caller name. So you must have to install that app, then tap on open and here just tap on continue, then give some permissions. Just allow all the permissions which the apps want and here just select caller name announcer, then select set as default, then select done. So after you have done it, it will announce in the caller's name. When you'll receive any call, it will announce the contact name if they have, but if you don't have any contact name, it can announce number. So that's how you can easily enable announce calls on your Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.